Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and today I've got a different video for you. This is a little bit dog days. This is a little bit home improvement. We had an anxious dog. She tore up the carpet. Let me show you how easy it is to fix. Alright, so we came home from school when we were leaving Bailey out at first, and there were just little carpet circles where she had tore up the carpet, and we had some leftover carpet. I bought some carpet tape. I will put a link to that. Then I need a pretty moist towel, a little knife, and an iron that can steam. The first part of the repair is cutting as close as I can to a straight square for the actual patch. The more square your patch is, the more easy it is to get them to match. I'm also trying to not get the underlayment. Then once I can get my finger under it, then I can make sure I've got that as cut out as I can. And then with that removed, now I can cut my patch. You want to make sure that you match your grain the same as it was on the original carpet. And then I'm getting this as snug as I can because you want it to fit right in that exact hole. I also put in a sharp blade so that I was getting a better cut. Then I take a nice size strip of the tape and put this side up. It is wider than the hole, so I only need to use one. If I had a spot that was larger than this, I could put two of them side by side. But as it is, I can just line it up, get it in the middle, get the glue pushed on both sides, put in my hole, make sure that it fits as snug as I can. I have heated up my iron. I've got it set to steam. Set my wet cloth on top. It is pretty moist, and then I wring it out. And then with the iron on steam, 20 seconds. And I'm going to move over and do 20 seconds again. Then I'm going to just turn it and do 10 seconds. And 10 seconds again. I bumped the off button. So if we remove that, I will let it cool a bit, and then I will come back and vacuum it later, clean up the little scraps, and boom, we do not have our cute little crop circles anymore. Alrighty, friends, so you can see it is super fast and super easy, and all you gotta do is buy some of the tape and make sure that if the carpet layers ever say, hey, do you want these scraps? You say yes. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.